Hi guys, and welcome again to my kitchen. Today with Junior Chef Zizi, we're gonna go ahead and cook spaghetti and meat sauce. She is already preparing her mince. She's already seasoned it with some powdered seasonings, breaking it up. She's adding her oil to her saute pan where she's gonna add the mince so she can saute it. Here she has cut up some onions and garlic, and she's going to saute that in the oil before adding her mince to the pot. Here she is adding her onions and garlic to the pot. She's going to stir that up in the oil, allow it to saute for a little, and then she's going in with her mince. She's adding the mince that has already been seasoned with some powdered seasonings, and she's going to allow that to cook for about 10 minutes or so, because you want to ensure that the mince is properly cooked right through to ensure that it's perfectly done. So here she is, she's stirring in the mince into the sauteed onions, and she's going to cover that up and allow it to simmer. Before she covers it though, she's going to go ahead and add her tomato sauce. Here it is, she's adding her tomato sauce, and she's going to stir that in to allow the flavor to be incorporated into the mince, and then she will cover that and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes or so before she goes in with her spaghetti. She has already cooked her spaghetti. She pretty much just put on some water, added some salt, and then she added the spaghetti to the water after it started to boil. So she already made her spaghetti. Here it is. The mince is simmering, coming to its full flavor, and it's gonna be so nice. When you allow it to just simmer, it will come into its full flavor, and then you can add your spaghetti. Here is her spaghetti that she's already cooked and drained. She has it ready to pour into the mince mixture itself, because she's going to do a complete stirring that will bring the meal together. Here she's adding the spaghetti to the mince, to the meat sauce itself, and she is going in with her spatula, and she is incorporating the mince and the spaghetti to make it into that fulsome meal that she is preparing, her spaghetti and meat sauce. This is so tasty, guys. You can always add a little bit of cheese if you choose, depending on the flavors that you are looking for. And here we have it. She has completed her meal. She's adding a sprinkle of parsley just for presentation and also to add to your flavor. Parsley is always good to top off your meal with. And here it is. She has completed that. She has shared it in her bowl to present to you, sprinkling with a little bit more parsley on top. The meal is perfect. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.